All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T-150 mid-roof short wheelbase, white with the gray vinyl interior. It's got power windows, power door locks. It's got power backup camera, power mirrors. Only 15,000 miles in this vehicle, and best of all, no damage around the body. Let's go real quick, your front bumper. Let's have a dent right there, as you can see, and some scuffing from it. Rest of the bumper looks good. Your hood looks pretty good. I see a dent here. It's like a dent right here, the middle of the hood. Fender looks good. Front front driver's rim or steel wheel looks good. Tire tread is over 8/32. This door looks good. This quarter does have some dings. It's a dent here, 3, 6. Another one, 3, 6, around 8 inches. Rest of it looks pretty good. Here's your your rear driver's side steel wheel. And your tire tread back here is over 7/32. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. Does come with the 1 key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Actually, my owner's manual is still wrapped up. Get your AM/FM CD player, AM/FM stereo system. You get your AC controls right down below. You get your backup camera. Boom. This is what transmission cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for a tire pressure and your mileage of 152. It's good. Keeping it moving. Let's check it out. Check out what your roof looks like while we're here. Got my ladder here, and your roof looks good. Roof looks good. So, door folds out. This is what one of your doors looks like. Very nice. I have a little switch here. This is what your trunk space, your cargo area looks like. Very big, very spacious, beautiful lighting. Got wheel wells, look good. This is your, what your panel looks like from here, looks good. Likewise here, this panel and door look good on the inside. It's good so far, this looks good. Here's your front passenger, your rear passenger steel wheel, and your tire tread is over 7/32. Got a little ding right here on the door, sliding door. This is what your side cargo area looks like, very nice. And your front door looks good. Front passenger seat, there's no rips to that. Front fender here looks good. Front passenger steel wheel. And tire tread is under 7/32. Lights are working, car is running. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Ford Transit T-150 mid-roof short wheelbase with 15,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding.